If we switch over to the NASDAQ, you can see a very similar story with that slight gap down. Not as much selling pressure to start the day, really more positive momentum throughout the day for the NASDAQ. We can also see that spike in volume here on the daily. But as we work our way down, you can see that the real interesting candle, again, is that last hour of trading for the week and for the month, really dramatically outpacing the volume of any candle we've seen outside of one candle here on the 19th of December before the Christmas holiday, where there was a lot going on right there before everybody steps out. So, really, this is an anomaly before the Christmas and New Year holiday. If we're looking back at traditional times of trading, the last big candle we had like that was on the 24th of November, which is also right before a holiday there. So it is worth taking note of that big positioning going on into month's end. I'm just on the 4-hour chart here for SMH. SMH continued to see sell side pressure today, but not nearly as much as we saw on Thursday. I suppose we could go to the daily candles just to clear that up. And we actually had a positive daily candle. But still, overall, we did see a lot of pressure on that side of the market. But what is interesting is if we go to IGV for the software sector, which has been very oversold, IGV actually, despite gapping down, had a positive day. And this is coming back off of that 3-up day signal that we were talking about yesterday, which does appear to be setting this up for a turnaround. And even on the optimized trend model here, the daily looks like it's about to take a turn. I took a long position in IGV today. I don't normally play sectors or ETFs that much, but during these transitional phases in markets, I do find them helpful just to position with a basket that represents a narrative. There are times where it makes much more sense, which is most of the time in markets, to pick the right assets that you have conviction in. But during transitional phases, it kind of smooths out some of the noise when you can just pick a basket of a sector.